Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best pink glitter lip gloss on the market. The Unicorn SNOT Glitter Lip Gloss in Flamingo. If you're looking for a lip gloss that delivers a dazzling sparkle with a high shine finish, this might just be your new favorite. Right from the start, Unicorn SNOT offers a gloss that catches the light beautifully, creating bright, gorgeous lips that stand out. What sets this product apart is its smooth, moisturizing texture that feels lightweight and non-sticky, which is a huge plus if you've ever struggled with sticky lip glosses before. The gloss glides on effortlessly, giving your lips an instant shimmering effect whether you wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. One fun feature about this gloss is its subtle cake scent. It's lightly sweet and adds a playful touch without overpowering your senses. Plus, there's a hint of flavor that adds to the enjoyable application experience, making it feel more like a treat than just makeup. The packaging is compact and travel-friendly. The convenient tube fits easily into your purse or even your wallet, so you can bring a bit of sparkle wherever you go. This makes it perfect for festivals, parties, raves, or just when you want to add a little extra shimmer to your day. Touch-ups are quick and easy, so you never have to worry about dull lips when you want to shine. Another important aspect to highlight is that this lip gloss is completely vegan and cruelty-free, which means no animals were harmed in the making of this product. For those who care about ethical beauty, this is a great choice. When it's time to remove the gloss, you'll find it comes off cleanly without leaving behind any sticky residue, just like it promised. A simple swipe with a cotton pad and makeup remover is all it takes to get your lips back to their natural state. Unicorn SNOT's Flamingo shade is a vibrant, sparkly pink that really brightens up any look. It's versatile enough to be the perfect finishing touch for everyday wear or a bold statement for a night out. In terms of size, you get 0.37 fluid ounces, which is a good amount for frequent use. It lasts a long time both in wear and in the tube. Overall, if you want a lip gloss that combines sparkle, shine, and comfort, with ethical ingredients and a fun scent, Unicorn SNOT Glitter Lip Gloss in Flamingo is definitely worth checking out. Whether you're heading to a festival or just want to feel magical every day, this gloss brings a touch of glitter and glam that's hard to beat. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.